Good night, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. No matter where you are, welcome, 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 welcome. It's a raining night, heavy raining right now. Wow. This country is a blessed country. So much rain. Look at it. It's a raining day, a raining night, of a raining evening. I am Keman. Welcome, welcome. If you come across this video, please subscribe, share, and if you like it, give the video a like. This is special for you. Special for you. This video. It's a raining video. Wow. Look at the sky. No stars, nothing. Nothing. It's a raining night. Wow. So nice. So nice. So nice. Look at it. Look at it. It's Keman again. This video is especially for someone that can't sleep at night and the raindrop make you feel good. Raindrop make you feel so good to hear the rain. And that's so nice. Wow. It's a raining day. With water in the street. Look at that. Water overflow. But we are here in the city Paramaribo, Suriname. It's a rainy night. Look at that. Wow. So much water. Too much water. Too much. This is too much. Wow, look at that. Water. If it's the first time you watch this video, please subscribe, subscribe, like the video. Yes, push the like button, push the like button. Support this channel, okay? So much water. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. Water, water, water. Water, water. Water come from above. So much water is come from above. This is a bus. Look at that. Wow, wow. Rain, rain, go away. Tomorrow is another day. Rain, rain, go away. Tomorrow is another day. Wow, look. Whoa. Rain. It's so cold outside. It's a nice time to be in your bed. You know what I mean? Yes. Look at the sky. What do you see? Only rain, missing the street. Give the video a like, push the like button, subscribe, and share the video. Wow. This video is special for you and you and you and you. I want to let you feel the way I feel right now. You know? How the raindrop is falling. Raindrop is falling on my hand. You know the song? A nice song. Wow. Look at that. Water everywhere. Wow. Wow, look at that. In the rain. Wow. Wow. Rain, go away. Tomorrow is another day. Wow, look at this. Water everywhere. Look at this. So much water in the street. Now we need a boat to cross the street. Well, water in the street. We need a boat to cross the street. Wow. This is it. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Until the next video. Bye. Wat een weer, wat een weer, wat een weer, wat een weer. Kijk zo, wat een weer. Gado man.